Hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce a new project on detection. So in the present scenario in COVID-19, so detection is the main thing. So today we'll see how to detect the mask in an image, like mask is weird or not in an image or in any video streaming, live streaming. Okay, let's start the execution of the program. So we are using an PyQt5 for the UF development. So in this we have the three options, select three buttons. So one is for build new model. So for any, like if you need any new training model, so then we can use this option to train our own model. Okay, and next one is the image detection. So we can browse any image and we can use the image as an input to this, and we can detect the output image with the mask is weird or not. Live camera for to use our web camera to detect the live streaming. So he, whether the person is weird the mask or not, we can detect and we can display on the in one pop-up window. Okay, so let's start with this. So now I'm not showing about this build new model because it takes a lot of minutes in hours actually, so I'm not showing this. I'm go with the second option, image detection. So here we can browse locally with an images. So now I'm going to give this image. So here we get the result over here. So it takes some 1 minute of time. So here see, so no mask is not here. Okay, let's try with the new one, new image. So this one, so this is with mask. So let's try open and click on detect. Now we can say this is mask is weird, and we can see the result over here also. So mask with mask is there. So I'll try with another input. So like this. So no mask. So mask is not weird. So like this, we can detect in any image by browsing this or by selecting this image detection. So let's see with this live camera. So when you click on this live camera, our webcam will be open. Then we can, it will stream our video in front of the camera. So you can observe this. No mask is there. So if I try to wear this, then it will display that mask is weird. Okay, like this. So if I remove this, then it goes to no mask is weird. Okay. So like this. Okay. So thank you for watching.